Hello guys, today we are going to try to solve the question if the curves y square equals to 6x and 9x square plus by square equals to 16 intersect each other at right angles, then the value of b is. Okay, so we have to find the value of the constant b, and we are given that two equations of two curves which are intersecting. So first equation is y square equals to 6x and the second equation is 9x squared plus 6y plus by equals to 16. Now these two equations can give us slopes m1 and m2. So let's try to find m1, that is dy upon dx for equation number 1, that is 2y dy by dx equals to 6. And let's try to find m2, that is dy by dx with respect to x. We get 18x plus 2by dy by dx equals to 0, right? So we can simplify this equation by taking dy by dx term on the right hand side. We get 18x equals to 2by dy by dx negative. Okay. So with this we have dy upon dx equals to minus 18x upon 2by, that is 9x upon 2by upon by, negative. So look, we have m1 and m2. We already know that m1 into m2 equals to 1. Let's try to multiply these two equations. First we have 6 upon 2y multiplied by minus 9x upon by equals to 1. Let's try to cancel this out. So we have minus 27x upon by square equals to 1. So let's try to shift b on the right hand side. We get minus 27x upon y square equals to b. So now we have b equals to minus 27x upon y square. We already know that y square equals to 6x. So let's replace y square by 6x. We have minus 27x upon 6 square, 6x. X gets cancelled with x. 3 9s are 7 and 3 2 8. So the answer we have b equals to minus 9.2. That is option B.